Okay, today I'm going to be changing oil on my 9.9 kicker motor. It is a 4-stroke motor, so you got to change the motor oil. And to do that, I'm going to start by taking out the plug, the oil drain plug. The oil drain plug is right here. I'm photographing it with my hand before I put it on my head. I loosened this with a 16 millimeter socket. That's what it takes. And when you pull this, I'm going to do it here. Once I get my headgear on, the oil will start to drain out. So here we go. We pull, we have a pan to catch the oil when it drains out. We pull, screw it, and make sure you get the little washer that goes with it, because you don't want that to fall out in a bunch of oil and then have to try to figure out, hey, where's my washer? Okay, so that comes out, and it's in there a good bit. It's a long nut to get in there, and there we go. Yep. It's black, you see, because that oil definitely had more than 100 hours, which is what they recommend when you change it. And first it gushes out, and it goes out slow, and it starts running down the side, which I will, remedy here. I'll put this screw in a place on the edge. So, well, maybe I won't. And it did what I didn't want it to do. I'll put it over here where it's not on the edge. I'm going to be replacing the screw, it looks like, today anyhow, just because it's worn on the edges. And you can't have that going on. So I'm going to walk over here, get myself some blue wipes. The blue wipes are here for the oil, and not have a fistful of oil whenever I'm turning my boat's wheel. So I got that done, got that off. All right, wonderful. I will get another one, so I'm not putting a bunch of oil on the wheel. You don't want that. And then that becomes real tacky to get off. We'll turn the wheel of the boat in such a manner that you get your motor facing down with the oil. There we go. Turned it as well as I could to that side. And power trim, right? Power trimmer up. I'll get that thing to drain out as good as you can. Got the power motor up. I'm getting a little assistance there to back that thing out, and we will just turn her right up like that. Now I'll get back to where I was and get to what I was doing. Watch out so I don't hit anything. I have paper towels, and I have the things here. So the thing will drain out. I'll pick a screw up, put it on the edge of the thing, and we're gonna wait for a little bit, have it down like that. Then after it's up, put it back down, put the plug back in, and once the plug's back in, you let it drain out for 5 more minutes and open it again. So I'll go back. I'll use some paper towels this time to put this back down. And it's down. And I'll put the plug back in. And we'll pick up the video from there. Plug goes right in like that, just enough to hold it. Don't want to make it real tight, just enough to hold this so we got her and it can drain back down. And I'm going to turn this off for that purpose till we're